Okay, it looks like we're going to use the disk method to revolve this red region about the x-axis and get the volume of the generated solid. This blue graph is the graph of this function f of x. And so the definite integral that allows us to calculate that area is pi, definite integral from 1 to 5 of the radius squared. But the radius is, for each little disk, is f of x squared, or the radius is f of x, and we square that radius. And so when we square f of x, we do get 1 over x times 6 minus x. And here we have the pi, of course, definite integral from 1 to 5. Now the directions say, add a title, partial fractions. Where do they come in? This is the answer. Let's see how we get it. If we go to board 2, there is what we want to find the antiderivative for right here. And so we have to break this apart using partial fractions. If I multiply every term of this equation by this common denominator, this is what I get. 1 equals a times 6 minus x plus bx. Now you could equate coefficients, but you can also do this problem this way. Let x equal 6. This term disappears. 1 equals 6b, so b equals 1/6. And let x equal 0. The term containing the b disappears. And we get 1 equals 6a, a equals 1/6. So here's the integral that we're trying to evaluate. The pi times the definite integral from 1 to 5 of here's a over x plus b over 6 minus x. Okay, and just to convince you that these two functions are equivalent on Desmos, there they are graphed, they're identical. So this function is algebraically equivalent to this function. Okay, and so this one's pretty easy. The antiderivative, move the 1/6 out front. The antiderivative 1 over x is ln of x. From 1 to 5, ln of 5 minus ln of 1 is 0. And similarly over here, just to make sure, I used u substitution and found out the new limits of integration go from 5 to 1. When x is 1, u is 5. And when x is 5, u is 1. But then if we invert these or interchange these limits of integration, we change the sign and we're right back to the same thing we had up here. Okay, and so 1/6 plus 1/6 is 2/6 or 1/3 pi ln of 5. And that was approximately, if we go back to board 1, 1.685. So there's your exact answer. There's an approximate answer. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.